Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. From here, you'll see the OneDrive icon. Click on it to open your OneDrive window. This is your main access point to all OneDrive settings and controls, so it's important to locate this icon first. Now, to stop OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons, navigate to the top right corner of your OneDrive window. You'll see a gear icon there, which represents your settings. Click on it, and a context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, click on Settings. This will open the Microsoft OneDrive settings window, which gives you complete control over what OneDrive syncs and how it operates on your computer. Once the settings window appears, look at the left side menu. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Sync and Backup. This section specifically controls which folders and files OneDrive monitors and uploads to the cloud, making it the perfect place to manage your desktop syncing preferences. From here, you'll see a button labeled Manage Folder. Click on it to proceed. This button opens up a detailed view of all the folders currently being synced between your computer and OneDrive. It's essentially the control center for deciding what stays local and what gets backed up to the cloud. A new window will appear showing all the synced folders you currently have under your OneDrive and computer. You'll likely see folders like Documents, Pictures, and most importantly for our purpose, Desktop. Now, simply disable the Desktop folder by unchecking the box next to it. Once you do this, OneDrive will exclude the Desktop folder, which contains your desktop icons, from being synced. This means any icons or files on your desktop will remain only on your local machine and won't be uploaded or mirrored to OneDrive anymore. And that's it. You've successfully stopped OneDrive from syncing your desktop icons, giving you full control over what appears on your desktop without it being automatically backed up to the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.